In 2021, I started competing in the Race Week Drag and Drive event. A major part of this event is carrying everything you need to survive the week. To carry my racing tires, I built a trailer hitch for the Mustang, but the way it mounted meant the stock mufflers would no longer fit. My solution was to do a muffler delete as cheap as possible. That meant a quick run to the parts store and $30 in exhaust piping and clamps. This gave plenty of clearance to the trailer hitch. After a couple years though, the lack of mufflers while daily driving was getting kinda old. Enter in the C&L Axle Back Exhaust Kit from American Muscle. They provide just enough muffling in pretty much the same space as the straight pipes. I did have to clearance the passenger side trailer hitch mount for the muffler mount. A small price to pay for saving the eardrums. Let's play the sound of our people. I am 100% glad I did this upgrade. All that's left is to tweak the mountings to level the two tips and to suck up the exhaust from the ground. Thanks for watching.